It all starts with a dream, and this one has been a long time coming. The company Beauer, known for creating one of the most unique caravans out there, is finally stepping onto the international stage in a big way. The story goes back to 2012, when Beauer first introduced a concept that really turned heads. They designed a travel trailer that could expand sideways at the campsite and almost triple in size. That early idea, originally called Beauer, eventually evolved into what we now know as the Beauer 3X, the brand's flagship model created by founder Eric Beau. At first glance, the concept seems simple: a compact, lightweight trailer on the road that transforms into a spacious living area once you arrive. But behind that simplicity is some seriously clever engineering. The caravan uses a patented system with telescopic mechanisms on both sides, allowing sections to slide out from a fixed center. That central section holds the essentials like the kitchen and bathroom, things that can't move when the trailer is closing up. Getting to this point wasn't easy. Even though the idea existed back in 2012, it didn't reach production until 2017, after Eric Beau launched the company. The lineup grew over time, and now in 2026, Beauer is expanding into the UK, a market with a strong caravan culture. They recently showcased the 3X at a major trade show in Birmingham, marking a big step forward. The trailer has already made its way into several European countries, with a few units even reaching Australia and the United States. From what we've seen in recent tours, the 2026 version keeps its familiar layout, but adds a few nice upgrades. The exterior now includes a small awning over the door, customizable colors, and even the option to expand the entire trailer with the push of a button instead of doing it manually. Step inside, and you enter straight into the kitchen. On one side, there's a lounge and dining area, and on the other, a bedroom. The kitchen may be compact, but it's well equipped with an induction cooktop, a 12-volt fridge with a freezer, a microwave, and a sink. There's also plenty of storage, including overhead cabinets and compartments under the counter, plus a flip-up table that hides even more storage. The lounge area features a U-shaped bench that can seat up to 5 people and converts into a double bed, allowing the trailer to sleep 4 in total. Because parts of the furniture move when the trailer expands or closes, storage in some areas is limited. The same goes for the bedroom, where the bed folds up when the trailer is in travel mode. One of the coolest features is the hidden bathroom. It stays out of sight until you need it. The shower base is tucked under the floor, and a small cabinet contains a toilet, sink, and optional shower attachment. When it's time to use it, panels and doors swing into place to create a private space. There's also a wardrobe system with storage accessible from both the kitchen and bedroom, helping make up for the limited storage elsewhere. When the trailer is closed for travel, you actually can't access the interior at all. While that might sound like a downside, it has a surprising benefit. It makes the unit extremely secure. There's simply no way for anyone to get inside without opening the whole thing. In terms of specs, the Beauer 3X comes with standard features like stabilizers, a cassette toilet, a freshwater tank, insulation, and a durable chassis. It weighs around 950 kilograms empty, with a maximum weight of 1,300 kilograms, and there are plenty of customization options available, from air conditioning and heating to bike racks and even a TV. As for pricing, it starts at £23,990 in the UK, which is actually lower than in some European markets. Considering everything it offers, that's pretty impressive. Even if you're not planning to buy one, it's definitely worth checking out. This is one of those designs that really makes you rethink what a caravan can be.